Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, we're going to be upgrading the bulbs that are in the third brake lights or cab lights on a pickup truck. It's pretty much the same, whether it's a Dakota or a Ram, it's gonna be the same bulb. So it's gonna be a 194 style bulb. We're gonna be using JDM Astar bulbs. We're gonna be using both red and a bright white for that. So we're gonna change all the bulbs. I'll show you comparisons before and afterwards so you guys can decide whether this is worthwhile. Just before we get started, I want to show you guys what that thing looks like just completely stock with halogen bulbs. So I'll turn on the cab lights and there you have it. So it's just a standard halogen. You just get that yellowish kind of light. And let me kill the lights in here in the shop so you can see what it looks like at nighttime and how much illumination you get in the bed. So there is the kind of illumination that you get in the bed from just your halogens. Really nothing to get excited about. It's not much. There's honestly more light inside the truck just from, I haven't even investigated what LED or brand is in there, but we're gonna improve that later. But check that out. So really not much to talk about there. Just two standard halogens. Let's see what the brake light looks like. So now you see what everything looks like with the stock bulbs. Let's get into our comparison, swap that bulb out. All right, so this is gonna be a super easy install. You're just gonna remove the two Phillips screws. So there's just two of them, one on each side. Once you remove this, since we're gonna do a comparison, we'll only change out one side. So we'll remove this bulb, turn it counterclockwise about 90 degrees, pull out your old bulb, put in your new LED bulb, and then we can put this back in here and we will just temporarily place it there so we can do our comparison. So same test as before, no games. We'll turn on our cab lights. So right off the bat, you can tell an immediate color difference. So this is the LED here, that's the halogen. We have all LEDs in here in the shop though, so it is super bright. Let's kill the lights and see what the difference is. So here we are here. Again, you can see the LED on this side, halogen here. We're already getting a bit more light in the bed here with only one installed, but I really just wanted to show you guys a color difference here. Let's show you what the third brake light looks like. So there's the red LED inserted in the middle. Let's test everything. Now we can swap out our last halogen with a white LED. Both bulbs are now converted to LED, so we got the light on. You're really not gonna see too much here because these LEDs are doing a ton of work. Let's kill the lights, see what it looks like in the dark. So there we are in the dark and you can see much more of the bed. It is a little bit hard with this older lens, I'll be honest with you, because it's not clear, so it is harder for light to come through. It's probably a little bit sun faded, whatnot. We are going to be upgrading that whole third tail light, so I'll be putting a more modern looking one in there shortly. But this is to show you if you wanted to keep the standard one and you upgrade the LED bulbs, what it would all look like. So it is an improvement, but we'll definitely be getting more light in here at some point here in the near future. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. If you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It helps support the channel. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, check out the other videos already on the channel. We've covered a lot of ground already on the Dakota and the other vehicles as well as the Ram. So make sure you guys check out those videos and we got a ton more on the way. Also, you'll see that join button down below. If you click it, you guys can join Team Boosted Motorsports. And there's a ton of perks to go along with that. So make sure you guys check it out. It helps support the channel, it helps support your boy. So a lot more to come on the way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.